Different cuisines and cultural values in a diverse world. Food is one of the most important aspects of any culture. It not only provides sustenance but also reflects the history, traditions, and values of a community. As our world becomes increasingly diverse, with people from different cultures living and working together, food has become a powerful tool for cultural exchange and understanding. In this article, we will explore the relationship between food and different cultural values in the diverse world we live in. The role of food in culture. Food is an important part of any culture, and its role can vary widely depending on the traditions and values of a community. In some cultures, food is a means of celebrating and expressing hospitality, with large feasts and communal meals serving as a way to bring people together. In other cultures, food is a form of ritual or religious practice, with certain foods and preparation methods considered sacred or symbolic. Food can also be a way of expressing cultural identity, with traditional dishes and ingredients serving as a way to preserve and celebrate a community's history and heritage. For example, in many Latin American cultures, dishes like tamales, empanadas, and ceviche are important symbols of cultural identity and pride. Cultural values reflected in food. The values and beliefs of a culture are often reflected in its food traditions and practices. For example, in many Asian cultures, the concept of balance is reflected in the traditional diet, with a focus on incorporating a variety of colors, flavors, and textures to create a harmonious and balanced meal. In contrast, in Western cultures, there is often an emphasis on individualism and personal choice, with a wide variety of cuisines and dishes available to choose from. Another example of cultural values reflected in food can be seen in the way that food is prepared and consumed. In many Middle Eastern cultures, for example, communal eating is a common practice, with groups of people sharing large platters of food and using their hands to eat. This reflects the value of community and hospitality, and the importance of sharing and coming together over a meal. In contrast, in many Western cultures, individual portions and personal space are emphasized, with utensils and separate plates used to eat. This reflects the value of individualism and privacy, and the importance of personal choice and autonomy. Food is a tool for cultural exchange. As our world becomes increasingly diverse, with people from different cultures living and working together, food has become a powerful tool for cultural exchange and understanding. Through food, we can learn about different cultures and traditions, and gain a deeper understanding and appreciation for the values and beliefs of others. Food festivals and cultural events are a common way for people to come together and share their food traditions with others. These events provide an opportunity for people from different backgrounds to taste new foods, learn about different cooking techniques and ingredients, and gain a deeper understanding of the cultural values and beliefs that are reflected in the food. In addition, many chefs and food entrepreneurs are using food as a way to promote cultural understanding and inclusivity, by incorporating diverse ingredients and techniques into their menus and products. For example, the growing popularity of fusion cuisine, which combines elements from different culinary traditions, reflects a desire to break down cultural barriers and create new and exciting food.